Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at Bitcoin, right, or BTC. Bitcoin is currently at the $62,000 level. We are currently ranked at number one with a market cap of about $1.23 trillion. We have a 24-hour volume of about $18 billion. And today I'm going to be showing you a massive pattern which is playing out right here on Bitcoin. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So in the last 1 week, Bitcoin is basically down about 3.8%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for Bitcoin. Bitcoin versus the USD Theta. We're on the daily time frame. Binance is the data source, right? So before we go into the analysis, just want to show you this sort of massive pattern which is playing out right here on Bitcoin. What we have right here is what we call the Bitcoin rainbow chart, or the crypto rainbow chart, and basically shows us Bitcoin from the inception right here in 2010 to the current level. And basically what we see, this blue lines right here, is basically every single time when the Bitcoin halving has occurred. Basically, as you can see right here, let's take this down a bit. This was the first halving. This was the first halving occurred right here in 2012. We saw a 2 month of sideways action before we saw the bull run, right? So right here, we saw this was the second halving in 2016. We saw another 3 months of basically sideways price action, or basically 4 months before we saw a bull run. Right here, also in 2020, we saw the halving. We saw basically another sort of 5 months, or basically this was 2 months, this was 4 months, this was 5 months before another massive bull run. So expect minimum a 5 months of sideways consolidation of accumulation before we see any sort of pump to the upside right here for Bitcoin. Basically, if we just go back to our chart, as you can see, we have been consolidating right here from March going into May, meaning we are basically about 3 months in, and we have roughly about 2 months in to just consolidate in between this $71,000 and $60,000 level. If we bring up our EMAs, as you can see, our EMAs is basically showing that we are looking like we are bearish, but we could see from our rainbow chart, our Bitcoin rainbow chart, it basically shows us that we could basically see this sort of consolidation and probably a fake out to the downside, as we always see that after every halving, right? The consolidation, little pullback to the downside. Same thing, second halving, consolidation, pullback to the downside, consolidation, pullback to the downside, consolidation, some little pullback to the downside. So that is what we should expect right here for Bitcoin. As you can see right here, our EMAs are still flipping bearish, but we are still not bearish at the moment, holding that $60,000 level. So we could see prices just continue to consolidate around this area, probably even flip into this $57,000 area in the next few months. But basically understand that every single time we have seen that consolidation, we saw a pump, right? So this consolidation is for buying, right? So we are going to see that consolidation last for about a few months. You want to be accumulating, as we usually see a pump after that, right? So that is the update right here on Bitcoin. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.